Welcome back to Crypto News. I am your host, Jordan. Nothing on this video is financial advice, so always do your own research. So today we're going to take a look at two base chain meme coins in the meme coin sector, of course. And this is based on pure market speculation of what could happen to meme coins in the future, and therefore looking at the two most popular or biggest ones. We're looking at focusing in on narrowing down on one category or narrative, which is closely into the base chain ecosystem for this one, guys. So if you think Bitcoin is ever going to make a new all-time high, come back and make a new bull run, then this is based on market speculation as to where these meme coins could rise back up to again in the future. So here we have the meme coin category, sector and narrative. We go down, we can see that we still have Toshi ranked at 185. Brett is ranked at 288 due to these the market cap of these meme coins going down quite a lot recently in recent times. But let's start at Brett here, because this is the most mouth-watering one. Brett still has a massive community and base of believers, and could this be, right, a potential bottom forming somewhere around here or at some point soon in the near future, guys, here for Brett? Because if it is, for example, if this ends up being the bottom, then look at this. If you zoom out on the Brett price chart, we can see now the market cap is just $74 million. So what is going to happen to this coin if Bitcoin comes back, makes a new all-time high? You're obviously going to have Dogecoin coming back in the future because it's the world's biggest meme coin. Everyone knows it. And Pepe, right? That would trigger Pepe, Shiba Inu, and the other biggest ones. And what always runs every time Pepe runs, guys, is Brett, because Brett is known as Pepe's little brother, if you will. It is like the lower cap version, the one you can make higher returns on if Pepe runs. Well, Brett would be 29 and 29%, so 2,929% profit from where it is now if it can make a new all-time high and go back to the all-time high. So that is, guys, basically a 30x, okay? And guys, if you really are bullish on the meme coin category and narrative coming back in the near future, then we do have Bitcoin Hyper, which is also coming up, which is quite an early, undiscovered, new and exciting project, because it is a Bitcoin layer 2 chain with the meme coin category narrative behind it, and also the ZK sync or the ZK zero knowledge proofs. So that is the kind of privacy narrative behind it as well, with the ZK rollups and the Solana virtual machine layer 2 chain fast blockchain speeds. Okay, so it's like a fast layer 2 chain, and you can connect the chain bridges directly in and out of the original Bitcoin chain. So it's going to have that native bridge right here. So it has all these features. Check out the link below if you want to delve in a bit deeper, do your own research, feel free to do that. But if you are wanting to get an early allocation and become one of the crypto insiders to find out about this, project early before it launches onto the market, if you're excited about the future cryptocurrency bull run returning, then if meme coin season comes back, this could be potentially a good play. So feel free to check it out, guys. As you can see, the link is in the video description, and they have already raised here $31 million US, even in these market conditions, which is quite impressive. You can, if you want to get involved, then you click buy with crypto, you connect your cryptocurrency wallet, and then you can choose Ethereum, Solana, USDC, USDT, or BNB, or even pay with card here. You follow the instructions if you would like to buy yourself an early upcoming allocation for this Bitcoin Hyper project. So feel free to check that out in the video description below if you want exposure to the highest high risk reward potential category, which is in crypto, which is of course meme coins. Okay. Also, if you don't have a no KYC non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet, then feel free to check out Best Wallet. This is audited by the best security in crypto, which is Certic. You can download this on the Google Play Store, Apple App Store. It's a mobile wallet, so you can download it anywhere and anywhere globally can use this. You can buy cryptocurrency and create your altcoin and meme coin portfolio using any chain. So it has multiple blockchain compatibility. So check it out. You can download it below. It has all these reviews. They're constantly innovating with new features, and never have all of your crypto on one wallet. Always be diversified across multiple wallets and multiple exchanges for your own protection, safety, and security. So Brett has that amount of upside, which means the downside is lower than it was before, because it's already become so low, right? And then the upside is higher than before. So the risk reward ratio on these meme coins means you could put a very small amount. You could risk a small amount on, some of the top altcoins and meme coins, things like this. This is Brett we're looking at today, for example. But you could do this with any altcoin in a similar trend that has a big community, lots of popularity, and won't be forgotten so easily. And if you think it has a chance of coming back in the next cycle, you could actually lose money on like 50 coins or 20 coins, for example, or something like that. But if just one of them does well, it would outweigh the amount you put into all the other ones. For example, if you put a low amount, some people sprinkle in, for example, $100 into these coins when they're at their low, and you could turn $100 into $3,000 here with this coin. If it does this is of course extreme moon boy mathematics and optimistic bull market speculation, but this is what we are looking at here, the potential of what could happen. Also, look, Bread has never been this low where it is now, other than when it launched. So really, how much lower could it go? Eventually, if there is believers in this, then this thing it could start going up. And what's going to happen if it starts rallying up? It's going to become a self-fulfilling prophecy in the other direction, especially if the whole crypto market starts rallying up. And the US CPI inflation came out lower than expected, which means the Fed is going to cut rates more, which means more market stimulus, more money printing that could push all of the higher risk assets upwards, guys. And what's the highest risk asset of all in the crypto market? That is meme coins. So we are now going to look at Toshi. Now continuing with this delve into the meme coin, the meme coin madness, the meme coin saga narrative and category is that next we have Toshi. So Toshi, if we go into this, it is showing that it was quite strong up here. Then it collapsed down a bit recently when we've had this bearish crypto market trend lately in the market, right? But if we grab this and if we measure this up here, let's see. So that is going to be 933% for Toshi. Even if Toshi made a new all-time low, then the downside would be okay, minus 99%. So of course, with coins, altcoins and meme coins, you can always lose minus 99%. So you have to be aware of that. But if you put in, let's say $1,000, if you were speculating at the bottom here, you put in 1,000. If it goes to the top, you could turn that into $10,000 or lose 1,000. So it's like a 1 to 10. The risk reward ratios are quite good when these coins have bottomed here. So you want to find the coins that are lowest and that have the biggest narrative behind them. So on base chain, that would be Toshi and Brett, and then you want to analyze them a little bit more closely and see if they have upside potential here. As you can see, the state of the crypto market today is incredibly low. Sentiment is at an all-time low. I don't remember the market sentiment being this bad since I've ever been in crypto. That does normally, though, on the flip side, give historically a fantastic buying opportunity when everyone is in extreme fear. As you can see, it says 8 on the fear and greed index. We did hit 5, guys. So we did get as low as 5 yesterday, a couple of days ago. So that is normally, when there's blood in the streets, then the smartest people buy. I mean, that's historically what has happened. So let's see. And yes, so we have already checked out the other big meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba, and all of the rest of them in the other videos. So feel free to check those out, guys, as we keep you updated on the meme coin, the altcoin, and the cryptocurrency wider market. All of the news, everything you need to know right here on this channel every single day. So subscribe, follow us here. Thank you for the amazing support, and we'll see you all soon in the next videos on this channel.